County is out deploying our bags. They got about 630 feet for this section. It's obviously a low-lying area, right off of Tennessee and River City. The casino's just down that way, but there's a low-lying spot that a lot of people were complaining about, like local neighbors and stuff. It's not protected, so they finally ganged up and gave us a call yesterday afternoon. We ended up delivering product because we had it on with us, and I suppose we haven't even been here for an hour, and we've already got all of this lined up where they're wanting to do it. Now they're just going to fill it with a skid steer, and he's got that attachment that opens up in the middle, so it's good because it fills up the bags in the middle and it doesn't push the load, which you don't want to do when you're filling them up and they're empty. But yeah, we'll just go along here, just keep going at it. I think they got them all screwed together pretty good. And yeah, they're going to go around the bend and keep it up. A couple of low spots, looks like right down here where the water's already coming in. They might need to reinforce it. But all you got to do there is just stack another row, fill it up, and stack on top.
Some of these guys didn't even take their gloves off today. The deployment of this thing is unbelievable. Can you talk about that? I mean, you flipped it out, you pulled it, and within minutes you had this wall built.
Yeah, it's pretty dang quick. Right off the trailer, we have them bundled in bundles of 107 linear feet per bundle. It makes up for 7 systems, and they each open up to 15 feet, but you can see they stand open, so then it's easier to fill. But we roll off a bundle off the top of the trailer, and just roll it right off the trailer, set it there, and then drop them wherever you need them, and then you cut open the bundle and then open up the systems, so that you're able to get them in place where you need them, so that you can fill them.